Are you thinking about driving for Veho? You've probably seen them advertise 15 to 22 bucks per hour, but is that really what you take home? Let's break down what it's like driving for Veho. Veho is a last-mile delivery platform that partners with e-commerce brands to deliver packages to customers, usually the next day. As a Veho driver, you're not ride-sharing, you're picking up preloaded packages from warehouses and dropping them off for customers en route. The biggest perk, it's predictable. You choose your route in advance, know exactly how many steps you'll make, and there's no awkward passenger interactions, just you, your car, and a trunk full of boxes. Another pro, pay transparency. You see the full payout before you accept a route. No surprise tips, no surge games. Flexibility is solid too. Most routes are scheduled in the morning and you can grab them same day or plan a few days out. That makes a Veho a decent side hustle if you already do Amazon Flex, Instacart, or DoorDash. Now the catch. Routes go fast, like really fast. Drivers report hitting refresh constantly just to claim a shift. Also, while pay looks good up front, it's per route, not per hour. A $60 payout for a 3-hour route, that's 20 bucks an hour, but if traffic, apartment drop-offs, or scanning delays slow you down, your hourly rate drops fast. You're also using your own gas, your own car, and Veho doesn't reimburse mileage. That's all on you. So what do drivers actually make? Most say 15 to 22 bucks an hour is possible, but that's before expenses. After gas and wear and tear, a more realistic net is 13 to 17, depending on your car and route. Longer routes in rural areas tend to pay more, but come with more miles and more driving. In busy cities, you'll likely earn less per hour because of the tight drop-offs and traffic. So if you're already driving for other apps, Veho can be a great way to fill gaps and make decent money, especially if you catch good routes. But if you're expecting Uber-style flexibility or passive income, probably not it.